It's no secret that we're not all equal when it comes to skills, or the inclination to spend time in the kitchen. It's one of the key drivers behind the push to use new AI developments to shape the future of the home and commercial kitchen. The latest development comes out of the engineering department at the University of Cambridge, in which researchers taught an AI-programmed robot chef to use its machine brain to make salads on its own, after being taught by instructional videos. Watching a human slowly create 8 different salads, and through using math formulas to help the machine translate the visual cues, the robot was able to identify ingredients and prepare different salads from its mental cookbook. The robot was able to build on its knowledge as it progressed, and came up with a 9th recipe on its own. However, this original recipe appears to be just a reordering of the ingredients used in another salad. The recipes were limited to 5 ingredients: broccoli, carrot, apple, banana, and orange. 3 recipes were variations on a slaw, 3 were types of fruit salads, and 2 were vegetable dishes. It's safe to say this robot chef isn't quite ready for catering weddings, or even date night. Of the 16 instructional videos the robot watched, it identified the right recipe 93% of the time, despite only detecting 83% of the human chef's demonstrations. There were clear limitations to the robot's ability, of course, as well as the inability to perform complex actions generally required of a human chef in food preparation. Its neural network, trained on the Microsoft Common Objects in Context Image Recognition dataset, was still quite rudimentary. However, the researchers were nonetheless impressed by the way the robot chef was able to infer actions from the videos. If the demonstrator was holding a knife in one hand and a carrot in the other, the robot knew it had to put the vegetable through the slicer during its own preparation. While automating food production is certainly not a new idea, it's brought us consumer gadgets like Cooking Pal and, recently, culinary monstrosities such as the 3D printed cake. While machine learning has the potential to be a game changer for both home chefs and professional kitchens at some point, it's safe to say there are no line cooks with their heads on the chopping block just yet.